Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update for Tuesday 13th of September. I'm actually looking at Solana right now, and some few days ago I did post on Discord that I saw Solana trading at $40 when it was down at $34. Now at the moment, this is what happened for Solana. You went to the upside like this, made a bull flag right there, broke out, and it seems like $40 is actually the technical target, and that's really crazy. But it seems like you do have another continuation pattern right here, something like that one, and this is what you're breaking out of. So Solana basically is going to continue a little bit higher from there to there. We might be looking for $40.65, which actually make my dreams come true. Now these are the smaller time frame at the moment. Let's remove some of the drawings and dive into the daily time frame. I do see some bottoming structure at the moment, which is something like this. Okay, you're breaking out of that structure. There could be chances that you still come down for a retest, and that can actually offer an amazing entry opportunity once again. And you can take this from the top to the bottom right here, and you might be looking for Solana to actually move to $42.86. My take is that just a little bit of a retest can make sense down here, bounce off that level, go back and move to $42.94 if it's that's what it wants to do. And that's going to be a price appreciation of nearly from there to there. We might be talking about 19% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this Solana video update at the moment. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.